Hello everyone, make 2 ponytails on the top and 2 at the bottom, braid on the top side and bend it down and attach it to the last ponytail and secure with the hairband. Create a bunch and having a bun maker, straighten the hair down and roll it all over to the top, then fold it making it as a circle and cover the excess with hair and tie a rubber band. Divide your hair into 2 sections and on the back section, bring the hair down using a hair loop. Then in the middle section, divide it into several parts and combine all of them with a common braid. Braid them very thickly but in a very small manner and do it on the other side and combine both of them and have rubber bands all over. Grab a section of the hair, make a ponytail at the center and apply some wax and make 2 braids and have the braids on the sides as well and secure that with a rubber band and make common ponytail and bend it over and have ribbons. Have 3 ponytails on your hair and divide the middle into a little section and combine each of them into the left ponytail and secure that with a rubber band. Do the same on the opposite side and combine them with a common one and have a hair tie. Have a ponytail in the section of hair at the center and apply some hair wax and bring the hair to the top using a hair loop. Then divide it into 2. In one section, have a braiding and pinch it down to have a volume and combine both of them at the sides and have a rubber band. Remove the rubber band making it as a new hairstyle. Divide one side of your hair into 2 sections. On the middle side, have the rubber band ties, and on the back side, make a ponytail in the top section and divide it into 2 and have rubber bands. Combine all the pairs and have hairbands. Make a bunch and insert the rubber band on the top part, then insert an air loop on that part and have a strip of hair go inside of it. Make it go down until you get a repeated designs in 4 or 5 maybe, and pinch it upwards to have a hair loop from inside. Do the same on the other parts and have a hair tie. Apply hair wax and comb it a little bit and have the hair ties in the middle section and combine them at the back side. Thank you guys for watching this video.